Want to change the background on Gmail? It's super simple. First, open your preferred browser and head to gmail.com and sign in. Once you are signed in, click the gear icon in the top right corner and select See All Settings. Next, go to the Themes tab. Right here, tap on it. Tap on Set Theme. You can choose a variety of backgrounds from here. Simply select the one you like and click Save. And just like this, your Gmail's background has been changed. It looks super good. It's that easy to freshen up your Gmail experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.